Hi everyone, Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Bumbi. Today I will be making a very easy mango custard recipe. It is very simple and easy to make but very delicious. Everybody will love having this custard on a hot summer day. So let's get started. I have taken half a liter of milk from which I separated out about 5 tablespoons. To this, I added 3.5 tablespoons of vanilla custard powder and mixed it very well till all the custard powder dissolves. Next, keep the milk on medium-high heat and let it come up to a boil. Add about 3.5 tablespoons of condensed milk to it and a tiny pinch of salt. That tiny pinch of salt brings a balance to the sweetness of this dish. Just give a stir from time to time so that nothing sticks to the bottom of the pan. As soon as the milk comes up to a boil, lower the heat to the minimum possible mark. Stir the custard mix one more time and then with one hand gently add the custard mix and with your other hand constantly stir or whisk the milk. In this way you will get a smooth custard without any lumps. Once you are done adding all the custard mix, increase the heat to medium and cook it for 2 to 3 more minutes till the custard starts to thicken up. It will thicken up more once it cools down, so do not thicken it too much. It should still be of a pouring consistency like this. Now switch off your stove and take it off heat. Let it sit on the counter for about 5 to 10 minutes and let it cool down a bit. From time to time just give a stir. Custard is just slightly warm now. Here I have taken half a cup of mango pulp. Add it to the custard and mix very well. I have used canned mango pulp as good quality fresh mangoes are not that readily available where I live. If you use fresh mangoes, then puree your mangoes in a blender and then pass it through a strainer to get rid of any fibers. Then pour the mango custard into bowls. You can even use one single bowl. Just even out the surface with a spoon or spatula. And then put this in the refrigerator for a minimum of 6 hours or overnight. Let's make the jelly now. Boil about half a cup of water. Pour it out into a bowl. To it, I added about 3.5 tablespoons of mango jelly powder. Mix very well till the jelly powder dissolves completely. If you do not get mango flavored jelly powder, then you can use any flavor of your choice. It won't make much of a difference. Now add half a cup of cold chilled water to it, mix well and then pour it out into a container. Cover it and keep it in the refrigerator for 4 hours or more till it sets completely. My custard and jelly had been sitting in the fridge overnight and both of them are completely set. Just take a fork and cut through the jelly roughly. You can even use a knife and cut out different shapes. I just wanted to keep everything very simple. Put some jelly on top before serving. Then I drizzled a little bit of condensed milk on top. You do not have to do this. I just love condensed milk, so I am adding it. The refreshing flavor of those mangoes along with the silky smooth custard and a slight tart flavor of the mango jelly really makes this a great dessert for a hot summer day. Please try this recipe and send me your feedback in the comment section, and if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Eat healthy and stay healthy. Bye bye.